Adab, Sat Shri Akal, and welcome back to my channel Rock and Roll with Ankita. Hey there, if you don't know me, I'm Ankita Mishra Narkar. I'm an ex-cabin crew and right now I'm a happy-go-lucky homemaker. I'm sorry if you could hear some construction work because in front of me it's an open field and there's some construction work going on. You guys must be wondering what am I doing here? Yeah, this is my garden. This is my small little balcony garden which I have decorated it from my hands. अच्छा लगता है ना जब घर पे गार्डन हो, ग्रीनरी हो, सब कुछ हरा भरा हो, आप इतना मेहनत कर रहे हो और फूल आते हो, फल आते हो. इट रियली रियली फील्स ग्रेट. सोचिए इतने से गार्डन में हम इतना खुश हो रहे हैं तो बड़े गार्डन में क्या होता होगा. आज मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ मेरे पुश्तैनी गार्डन. पुश्तैनी, अरे भाई मेरे कहने का मतलब है मेरे पापा का गार्डन, मेरे डैड का गार्डन. लव्स गार्डनिंग लाइक एनीथिंग. और हम जब भी बचपन से देखते हैं कहीं भी जाते हैं हम. माय फादर इज़ अ डॉक्टर, इज़ अ गवर्नमेंट सर्वेंट और हम बहुत सारी जगह ट्रांसफ़र होके जाते थे. एंड एवरीवेयर आई सी, जगह हो ना हो वो क्वार्टर्स में, माय फादर मेड श्योर दैट he has his garden everywhere. चाहे वो फूलों का हो, फल का हो, we are seeing it from this much till this much. So today I'm going to share with you the beautiful garden of my hometown, of my own house, done by my father. Flowers are not so much in bloom right now because when I went, my father was a bit sick. As I said, he's a doctor. He got corona himself, and for the past 2 months, he couldn't take off care of his garden that much that he used to do. But now he's back in action, and this video I took when I went back home like 2-3 months back. My father was ill. The garden was not so much in bloom much, but still it is so much that I got happy and I got excited कि इतना भी हो but मुझे तो आपके साथ share करना ही होगा. So come on, let's not waste any time and let's go and let's check my father's garden, how he take care of it, what are the flowers that are bloomed, what are the vegetables that are there, and come on, I'll take you to a tour to my hometown, my own house, the garden of my house, and I hope you enjoy it. Yeah, let's get started. Well, this is the main entrance of our house, and this is the nameplate which I'm always proud of. Dr. Ratan Kumar Mishra, medicine specialist. Yo! Well, from the main gate, this is the area we have. My dad is watering the plants there, and our garden starts from here, right from the main gate. Now, this is one of my favorite hibiscus flower. Sometimes it is so huge, guys, that you can actually have rice on it. Believe me, it's so huge hibiscus. It's one of my favorite. Just look at the size. Now I'll show you my another favorite, which is this marigold. It is actually marigold, but the variety's name is called Inca. Just look at this. It looks like a cauliflower, right? It's so huge. This is the Inca variety of the marigold. Well, here there are few more varieties of the hibiscus. White color, the pink color. Believe me, there are some of the flowers which I don't even know the name. These are all the crotons. This is bougainvillea. All the crotons are they are in lined up. It's beautiful little crotons. There are 2 bougainvillea here, pink and white, and there is another variety of hibiscus here, the smaller ones. And then there's a white rose. And there's another pink rose, and trust me, I literally don't know half of the names. And just look at this, the beautiful yellow hibiscus. Well, this I know, it's called gerberia. It's actually a winter flower, but it was still there. Now there's a smaller darker pink color of hibiscus, Now there's another rose I can see. There are few roses, orange color, pink color. Just look at this beautiful peach color. This is a huge croton. These are all crotons, different varieties. Now there's another rose variety. Again crotons, crotons and crotons. This is one more variety of rose, the printed ones. And these are miniature roses. And this is dahlia, beautiful orange color. And then we have another dahlia, beautiful wine color. These are all winter plants. And now these are all sapti and petunias, and there are some of the jungly flowers. This is also the yellow ones are the variety of sapti. This is all petunia, white, purple, pink. This when we were in Dubai, there were lots and lots of petunia. This I literally don't know the name. Now this is again dahlia. I told you when I went home it was winter time, so these are all winter flowers. These are again marigold. There are few varieties of jungly flowers and crotons. This is Jui flowers, some variety of jasmine, Jui. And it's beautiful croton again. Now these pink ones are edenium. See, there is no leaves but there are only flowers. It looks like bonsai but it's actually called edenium. Behind these are not bonsais but these are all edenium plants. Now these little flowers were so beautiful. This was actually different colors and the name starts with K. I forgot. Here are some snake plants, some crotons, and these are all crotons, different types of crotons. Actually, if you see my house, you can actually open a nursery. It is a Chalta Firta nursery or a sanctuary of plant, you can say. Now these are actually water lilies and there are water. Before we had fishes over here, so we didn't need an aquarium. यहाँ पे ही चलता फिरता fishes we had. अभी there are no fishes but these are all water lilies. It has yellow color and it has purple color. And these are again crotons. Now this corner I have decorated it. The Buddha actually I painted it, and this is actually coconut shell. I made Jagannath out of it. So, and a turtle also. This little corner, little bit of contribution I have in decorating. और बाकी तो पेड़ ही इतने खूबसूरत हैं कि मुझे कुछ करना ही नहीं है. Just look at these. This area before we used to have vegetable garden, but now this my father turned it into rose plants, rose garden. क्योंकि roses जो हैं ज़मीन पे ज़्यादा अच्छे होते हैं तो 3-4 वैरायटी इधर लगाया गया था. And there are different varieties of flowers also. Look how huge it was, how beautiful it was. And there are huge plant of bougainvillea. उसकी दूसरी खूबसूरती है. Now this is orange bougainvillea. Wow, it was so pretty. From this area, there are all vegetable garden. This is the curry leaf plant. It was huge before, now my father have cut it short. And now you can see, this is actually simbo, the beans, flat beans. See, these were all flat beans. Papdi that we call in Hindi. And now I'll show you the beauty, bananas. Can you see that? Yeah, that was ours. There were 2 more जो हम already खा चुके थे और ये 2 बचे हुए थे. Now this you all know, it's papaya. That's aloe vera. It's everywhere. हम यहाँ थोड़े से एलो वेरा के लिए कितना तरसते हैं और मेरे घर में बिखरे हुए हैं. Now that's again papdi everywhere. Now this is brinjal, बैंगन जो मर चुका था. Now basically I have taken you whole round of the house. ये पीछे से रास्ता जाता है which connect to the main gate. यहाँ पे छोटे छोटे बैगनविला लगाए हुए हैं और क्रोटॉन्स. So this basically completes a whole round to the house. That's one more banana plant. And see, this is our door to the house. And see, we have completed the whole round. And this is all about my house garden tour, guys. I hope you liked it. Now here is a clip I have added of the bananas, how we took it out. We called our Superman Mama Ji, of course. And see, organic banana. He's having it right away. Look at the size of those bananas. Wow. Isn't it gorgeous? Now here's a clip I've added that how the banana has been taken to the front of the house. Just have a look at it. It actually needed 5 people, but this boat did the job. Wow. So this was all for today, guys. I hope you liked my garden tour. Hey, तो देख लिया, this was my father's garden जो वो इतना मेहनत से करते हैं. हमारे पास कोई गार्डनर नहीं है. He takes care of the garden himself. It takes around 3 hours in the morning. He gives like dedicated to the garden 3 hours in the morning. वो सब कुछ खोदा खोदी करते हैं, पूरा गार्डन साफ करते हैं, सारे घास निकाल के फेंकते हैं, सार वगैरह जो कुछ भी है. He does it himself. So it takes him around 3 hours every day in the morning, and in the evening it takes him 1.5 hours just to water the garden. सोचिए इतना डेडिकेटेड है वो. इतने डेडिकेटेड हैं कि वो किसी को पानी भी नहीं देने देते अपने गार्डन में, बिकॉज ही इज़ नॉट सेटिस्फाइड विद इट. वो बोलते हैं कि आई एम नॉट सेटिस्फाइड अगर कोई और मेरे गार्डन को पानी दे, बिकॉज आई नो हाउ मच द प्लांट नीड्स केयर. So yeah, that was all about it. 3 hours in the morning and 1.5 hours in the evening. देखिए, अब मेहनत का फल तो मीठा ही होता है, ऐसे हमने सुना था, लेकिन आज ये मेहनत मेरे पापा का देख के आपको पता चल ही गया होगा कि यस, मेहनत का फल मीठा ही होता है. जी हाँ, मैं अपना गार्डन थोड़ा फ्लॉन्ट कर रही हूँ. डैड का जीन्स तो थोड़ा मुझ में भी आया है. वो जितना ही डेडिकेटेडली अपने गार्डन को केयर करते हैं, तो वो देख देख के बचपन से अब मुझे भी मेरा घर सजाने का बहुत मन करता है. और मैंने भी मेरा छोटा सा आशियाना बना रखा है. एक बैल्कनी है, उसमें जितने भी मेरे पेड़ पौधे हैं, आई ट्रीट देम लाइक माई ओन किड्स. कोई भी एक फूल तोड़ता है, माई हस्बैंड इज़ टू मच इनटू प्लकिंग फ्लावर्स, क्योंकि वो पूजा इतना करते हैं, पूजा पाठ, हिज लिटिल स्पिरिचुअल. तो वो फटक से फूल आते ही तोड़ के चढ़ा देते हैं, तो मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता है। मैं बोलती हूँ एटलीस्ट एक दिन रहने दो मेरे बच्चों को उनके पेड़ों के साथ, माता पिता के साथ, और फिर दूसरे दिन तोड़ के लो, यू नो। तो या एक गार्डनिंग इज वन काइंड ऑफ एडिक्शन। व्हेन यू स्टार्ट इट जस्ट गोज like this, and especially when you see the flowers and the fruits blooming, it gives you happiness to the next level. सो ये था आज का ब्लॉग गाइस, आई होप यू लाइक इट। जाते जाते मैं आपको मेरा गार्डन का भी थोड़ा सा झलक दिखाना चाहूँगी, एंड आई होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो। इफ यू लाइक इट प्लीज लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब, एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम विद द सेम नेम, रॉक एंड रोल विद अंकिता। बाय बाय, सी यू, टाटा, चाओ चाओ, टेक वेरी गुड ऑफ योर सेल्फ गाइस। खाते रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो, हंसते रहो, एंड आई विल सी यू इन माई नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग।